out here. Just Butler's sliding. Ah, it's so icy. One of these days we'll find this trail. We're on the right path too, which is like, oh my god. We can't drive up this. Oh yeah, it's getting worse. At least it's pretty. So we drove out here. Here we are. Just covered in ice. And this hill is very much a slope. Nova! Hey Nova. Hey Butler. I can fly the drone right here though. Every time. Why does this keep happening to us? Maybe this hike doesn't want us to do it. This is a sign that the hike is not going to be worth it. Or is it going to be worth it? Well, at least we know how to get there now. Do we? I'm assuming that we know how to get there now. Oh my god. Nova! No, but he can't fend for himself on this ice. She's fucking wild right now. Okay. Go. Okay. Jesus. Don't fall. Hey, Bet.
Do you want a treat now?
Are we having fun? Oh, God. Okay, here we go. Light steps, everybody. Oh no, this spot is so slippery. Where do I go? Okay. Whenever you're ready to turn around, we can go find another. All right, so we did 0.59. We're gonna turn around now. Try to go down this hill. Oh my God. Better. Oh no. Okay. Solid. This has been quite the adventure. This is easier. I mean, my shoes are full of fucking sand. I don't know how I got there, but so much snow in my shoes. We're suddenly just like in a different climate though.
No, come here.
From the
Get
snow.
dressed over here right now, I swear to fuck. Get over here.
She swears to fuck.
Now.
We're gonna hike up that
I got her.
or something.
Hi. Hi.
Got her. Got her.
We're ready.
Got it. Butler, come here.
Am I recording?
It should show you like a red light.
Oh, it's blinking.
Taking off.
She says, "Vroom vroom, bitch, I'm a drone."
I'm a drone, bitch. Cool.
I'll go in front and get a candy.
Yes. Ow! We're good. Just rolling my ankles here. It's fine. Got it. Got the shot!
Nailed it!
There's a lot of like secret rocks. You know? I don't fucking see them because they're under all this dead grass. And then they're like, hey, is that your ankle? Nova is far away. Come on, Nova! It's a good run.
Oh, thank God.
She's like, fuck.
It's a video, huh?
Yep. This is the name of the trail we did.
7101.
7101! Oh, God.
7101. 701.
Secret rocks on a
701.
711. Nova!
No, it's 701.
So what?
What?
She's gonna get him. It's time. Oh, no?
She's a little tired.
She's like, I'm just gonna sniff this tree.
Oh!
Fucking psych!
That's a big.
You know? Oh, wow. I'm impressed. Should throw myself off this mountain! Yeah. No. Ow!
Secret rock.
It was like a secret thorn bush. Butler, stop that! What are you doing? He's like rolling and chewing. So embarrassing.
What are you doing down there?
What are you doing, Butler?
What are you doing, crikey, mate? Is that British?
That was like, it was like British and then into like Australian and then back to British.
Crikey, mate.
And then just like bad. It was all bad.
At least I'm trying.
Yeah, at least you can say that you're trying. Hey, bud.
We really climbed up this, huh?
We sure did.
I found shit out, though.
I can't wait to see what our actual elevation gain was. Stop eating poop. Why do they insist on eating poop?